Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing my February Sephora Play Box. I have not even touched this yet, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Let me grab some scissors here and let's see what we got this month. I'm excited because I've watched other people's unboxing, but I haven't had time to film it, so I left it on my chair like I always do, just so that I can open this with you. So here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. Sephora is a $10 a month subscription box. If you don't know what it is, you pay $10 a month, and every month Sephora will send you 4 to 5 different sample size products to try out for the month. They also send you a little card that you can take into Sephora and use in order to get extra Sephora points. This month's theme is Share the Love, maybe it's called Share the Love. There's a lot of stuff going on this paper this month, so let's go ahead and get right into the bag. It says Feel the Love here. It's just your standard Sephora makeup bag. Let's go ahead and pop into it and see what the first product is. Yes, I was so excited when I seen other people get this, and I'm happy that I did get this in my Sephora Play Box. So this is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I love moisturizing eye balms. I use a lot of stuff under my eyes. I also had a subscriber send me a lot of cool under eye creams that work really lovely, so I'm always excited to get more of them. I do like the Belief moisturizer, so I'm super excited to give this one a try and see how this works. It says it's a lightweight cream that boosts, moisturizes, and refreshes eye looks. So again, like I said, I am excited to always get new under eye balm type stuff. Is it thick? Let's see if this is thick. Nope, it's just a regular cream, so it's not like overly thick or anything like that, so it's not going to cause any cakiness or anything like that under the eyes. Alright, what's next in the box? Again, another thing that I was super excited that other people were getting and I really wanted to try out. This is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So I've really been wanting to try out one of these cleansing balms ever since Clinique came out with one, and I never picked it up because I thought it was a little expensive, so I'm really excited to try this. As you can see, it's thick. So what you do, and it smells good. It actually smells really good. What you do is take a little bit of it and then you rub it all over your face, and it's supposed to melt away your makeup. So I'm super excited to give this a try. Like I said, oh, this is from Pharmacy, by the way. Like I said, I've been wanting to try the one from Clinique, but this one will be just as great. I think that e.l.f. came out with one too that I want to pick up and see how that works. But since I have this one, I don't need to do that yet. I'm going to go ahead and try this one out and see how that works. So I'm super excited to get that one. Alright, next I have a NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in the color Let's Go Crazy. Let's see what this looks like. So it looks like a fuchsia pink color. I'm not going to swatch it, but this is what the color is there. This is actually a really pretty color. NARS lipsticks smell like, what are those things called? Sweet tarts. It smells like a sweet tart in a way, so that's exciting. I like NARS. I like their makeup. I like all of NARS's makeup so far, so I don't see any problem with the lipstick. Like I said, I'm not going to swatch this because it may go in a giveaway, so I'm excited to get this, but it may go to one of you guys. Alright, the next thing I have here is from Laura Mercier. This is a caviar stick. I've actually had one of these before. I have one sitting over here. I don't see it right now, but I already have one of these, so I don't need to reopen this one since I already have one that I could use. So this will definitely be going in one of the giveaways. Let's see what's next. I got a Sephora Rouge Matte Rouge lipstick in the color Rebel Chic. I've seen other people unbox this and it looks like a really pretty color. It has like the NARS packaging on this one, and this one, it will not be going in the giveaway because it is ruined, it looks like. So that's unfortunate. It's a really pretty color, so it's one that I can use. I was hoping to be able to give this away to somebody because it's a really pretty color, but since the tip is ruined, I'll definitely keep it. And I like Sephora's matte lipstick, so unfortunately, that won't be one that gets to go into the giveaway. Let me go ahead and swatch that since it's already kind of destroyed. The tip's already destroyed. Let me show you what that looks like here. But that's the color there. It's really pretty. I like Sephora lipsticks as well. I have a couple of them. That will be one that I'll definitely use because I like that color. So I have no problem with that. It's like a cherry, like a, what is that? Like dark burnt cherry red color. All right, and the perfume this month is from Chloe. I've never tried this perfume. I don't have any perfume on now. Let me go ahead. I think I'm just gonna spray the bag. Okay. Not a perfume that I would wear, but it looks like it has a really pretty bottle. So I'm sure other people enjoy those kind of color or those kind of perfumes. Me, I don't. It's more of a floral perfume, and it's not something that I will enjoy. So I'm excited about this Pharmacy Balm and the Eye Balm. The lipstick I'm definitely going to keep, and everything else is going to be going to somebody within one of the giveaways. That's coming up here at the end of the month. I'm going to start putting everybody in the actual video in the description. So if you're curious to see who's won for the month, they're going to just be at the bottom of the description. The last winner's down there, and everybody else will be in there. I didn't think I needed to make like a dedicated video towards it. I'm just going to put them in the description of the video and at the end of every month. That way you know who's won and if you may have won. Hopefully I can get a hold of everybody that's winning, and that next giveaway should be coming here at the end of the month. Alright guys, that was everything I got in my Sephora play this month. Let me know what you got in yours this month, if you got anything different or if you got exactly the same thing. I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week, and you have a great week. Bye!